Umami is a privacy-focused alternative to Google Analytics that is simple and fast to set up. To get started, you can refer to the detailed guide at umami.is/docs. In order to install Umami from the source, you will need a server with Node.js version 16.13 or newer, and a compatible database such as MySQL, minimum v8.0, or PostgreSQL, minimum v12.14. First, clone the Umami repository from GitHub, then navigate to the Umami directory and run yarn install to install the necessary packages. Next, create an .env file with your database connection URL in the specified format, either for PostgreSQL or MySQL. After configuring Umami, run the build step to create the necessary tables in your database and set up a login user with the username admin and password Umami. By default, Umami will run on HTTP with localhost 3000, but you may need to configure your web server to proxy requests or change the port to serve the application directly. For those who prefer using Docker, there are options available to build the Umami container with either Postgres or MySQL support. To keep Umami up to date, simply pull the latest changes from the repository, install any new dependencies, and rebuild the application. If you are using the Docker image, just pull the new images and rebuild as well. If you need any support or assistance with Umami, you can refer to the documentation or reach out to the Umami community for help.